Stand up for me, please.
Of course. Why are you guys grabbing
The waistline,
me?
You're being told.
I have to.
It's just gonna be with the bag his hand. He's not gonna
back my hand.
Just go ahead.
Don't pull away. Don't pull away. Don't pull away.
You guys
Don't
are
pull away.
fucking
On February 20th, 2026, police responded to a Walmart following a shoplifting report. One individual fled the scene, leaving the other to face criminal charges while caring for a young child. Let's examine what happened before we dive into the legal analysis.
Randy, don't put me in a shitty ass position and I'm probably gonna get locked up. Yo, I'm about to spaz because I'm about to beat the fuck out her mom.
We are in the middle of getting a training receipt right now.
Alright, so then come back in.
So what happened?
So she was with another party. That party had purchased her items at a man checkout and walked out.
Okay, come back in.
She
I'm sorry.
Can you
attempted
put
to
your phone
push
down for
out.
now? Are you calling for someone to pick up your order?
No, I'm calling because of the person I was with.
We saw her attempt to push out grocery side twice and was stopped both times by the doorman. She came to this side, jumped up to customer service to call for her party. They never came. She walked back into the store.
I figured they paid for everything.
She-
so
Okay. Well, I'll talk to you after.
Where's her mom at?
No idea. I was here. I actually came to register.
Call her mom.
I'm sorry. Dad, I'll call you back. She's not answering. I'm going straight to voicemail. My thing was we were going shopping
So
for them.
if you could potentially get arrested, you want this little girl to go with diapers right now? Find her mom, bring that, figure it out. Where is her mom at?
My love, I don't know. I was here. She was supposed to pay
What
for
kind of car
all
is she
this
in?
shit. No car. Taxi.
Y'all walk here. Taxis?
No, taxi.
From where? From where? What is her mom's name?
Her shelter. This is crazy.
What is her mom's name?
Randy Salista. I've been over the overcome. Yo, at this point, I'm about to call Dyfus myself.
Yes.
Yeah, like at this point, I'm about to call Dyfus myself because the fact that I'm coming here.
What's the police officer want?
Alright, Sadie's in front of me. I don't want to have this conversation. It really doesn't have anything to do with this. I'm calling Dyfus. I don't care what they have to do. I'm calling Dyfus. And
Stop.
I'm getting
I'm
the
asking
kids
you about
removed.
you, not
I don't care about me. I care about the kids. And what she just put her kid through being with me.
What are you doing? What are you doing to you?
I don't know. It doesn't really matter. I told them I'll pay for what I gotta pay for, but half the shit is Randy's, so she's gonna have to take accountability for what she was supposed to pay for.
No, you do because you have the card. You're responsible.
So I'm responsible because I have a card for somebody who was putting in my cart?
Yes. Yes.
Bro, because don't put me in a shitty ass position and I'm probably gonna get locked up because she's a lying ass bitch. I'm at Walmart. I have my food stamp card. It's in her wallet.
That's customer service.
I was supposed to pay half
We
for
needed this
food,
one.
and then
Because
she
we
was
needed to
supposed to
do it
pay
in
half
this
of the clothes for her and Sadie and Jason and Liam. I done went to the customer
That's what I'm
service
saying.
like 2 or 3 times on top of the checkout line asking for her name. She didn't show, so I figured, okay, she's paying. I called her, she didn't answer, so I figured she was outside. So I didn't even go outside yet. I'm like halfway out the store, and then they check me. I'm calling her. She's not answering me. No nothing. I have Sadie with me. Like for all this, I would have never came here with her. Apparently she's shoplifting.
Okay, can we just reload it and reload it
Yeah,
on
and
Mike's
have me
account?
thinking that I'm paying for half of it, and she has my card. I don't know. Nobody can find her. I'm in the office at Walmart. They're trying to locate her. They cannot find her. I have Sadie with me. I told them, I said, I'll pay for whatever's in the card. Like, if she left, I'll pay. They're not letting me leave. I'll
said
pay
around
for my
4:30.
shit. For my shit, I'll pay for it. But all the clothes that was in my cart for Sadie, her, and all the boys, I'm not paying for it. I was supposed to pay for a couple of the fucking
30.
food items. I had like 4 things in a cart. That's it. I had like $20 worth
Sink
in the
it.
cart. And then
Sink it up
on
this
top of
one,
that,
so we don't
she's
have to
leaving
go
her
back.
daughter here. That's not the point.
You can double click on it.
They need to like fucking locate her because I'm not doing this shit with her. This is not the first time they do this. She doesn't.
Yep.
Well, yeah, if I'm not getting locked
Yeah.
up.
Thank you.
Are they?
Well, they were gonna come and get me and her.
Who's coming?
I don't understand why this is highlighted.
My son's father, her uncle. But you have no location of Randy because I was supposed to pay for 4 items. Everything else in that cart was her. And I called her. I made sure I went to the things. When they didn't give me no answers, I figured I was okay.
Did you see it?
No,
You gotta see this stuff.
Like, I figured I was okay when she didn't show. And I didn't even walk out. And like I'm saying, I'll pay for whatever the heck. her shit. Excuse my language, but I'll pay for my stuff. I'm not paying for hers. She was going back to the shelter.
What
I only
shelter?
gave her a ride
What
to give
shelter?
her help.
So your car is here?
No, I took a taxi. I actually, with the storm going on, my car skidded off the road.
Whatever arrested.
Did she actually take anything?
Apparently saying that she was concealing stuff in the items.
She was what, concerned?
She was placing stuff in the car, right? The other kid.
I don't know if we'll have footage of that or not. This lady here tried to go out the other door first. Then she tried to go out the garden door. So she knew what she was doing.
But we don't know if we have the other girl on camera doing stuff.
I'm sure. Man, I know because she paid. So I think she left it closed. Dakota can tell you better.
But did she conceal it at all?
No. She had a big pile of stuff. And then Dakota said she paid for some stuff and left it closed. That's what I was told. I was following this girl.
But we never had her, the other girl, stealing, trying to take anything out of this store.
No, not to her knowledge.
It would just be her for now. Huh?
Out.
What's her uncle?
Like,
Her name?
countryside.
Uncle?
Orion.
Okay. Come on, Sadie. Orion's right here. I want to make sure this is Orion.
Can I see it?
Yeah. Orion, come up here. Stay right there.
Right there. Stay right there. Get back
Why are
there.
you touching?
Get back there.
me?
This is Orion, right? Yeah. He's going to take the
Stay calm, relax.
Yo, I'm about to spaz because I'm about to beat the fuck out her mom. No.
Look,
So, yeah.
hear me out.
Close the door, please.
Hear me out for a second. Relax and do what they tell you.
Bro, this is ridiculous. I don't do this
Okay,
shit.
calm down. I told you stop hanging out with her.
I don't do any of this shit.
Yeah, do what you gotta do. Gotta
She just goes to her.
She's supposed to be here.
What color hoodie does she have on?
I don't know. Fucking, she had a burgundy and black one on, and then a green one. Ridiculous. Can I press charges? Like, I would like to press charges.
Can you calm down?
No,
Because
because I was not aware of this. Y'all seen that I have called her multiple times. I don't get in trouble. Like, I would like to press charges at this point. I would really like to press charges. I don't ever get in trouble. Like, I would really like to press charges because I really thought, like, I called her name multiple times and I made sure of it.
What's Randy's last name?
Salister, I believe.
Salister, or is it not
Can I
Snyder?
press charges on her?
For what?
Because I don't get in trouble. I realistically, like, I called her name for a reason multiple times. I don't.
What do you want to press charges on?
The whole incident. Like, I'll pay for the 4 items that I came out of.
We don't negotiate at all.
No, I understand, but I'm sitting here saying I would like to press charges.
You can press charges on anyone for anything at municipal courthouse. You feel like you want to press a charge? Go to the courthouse.
So I'm gonna have to what? Get detained and.
Well, you are detained right now. We're just confirming everything.
Because as you can see, I done went to customer service in Lanes multiple times. I called her.
You got everything, Shilda?
Yeah. I can pay. Like I said, I have the money. It was just a misunderstanding on my. I don't ever get in trouble. I'm not trying to get in trouble. Like, I really thought she was responsible for what she did.
Thank you so much. I appreciate it.
I have a little girl with me. I would not do that.
Can you stand up for me, please?
Of course. Why are you guys grabbing me?
you're being told and you're not listening.
So I'm guessing she's not getting locked up by just him? She didn't steal anything? Are you serious?
Just gonna search you real quick.
Other pocket. Can you put that in my purse?
I'm gonna search with my backhand, your waistline,
Please do
okay?
not touch my...
I have to.
It's just gonna be
I would
with the
like
bag
a
his
female.
hand. He's not gonna
I
Back
like
my
the
hand.
female.
Just go ahead and make sure there's no weapons in the area. Don't go like towards her crotch or her butt or something.
You guys have watched them. You've seen me sit here and call out her name multiple times.
What is that?
I didn't even walk out the store. And I'm getting charged for what? Theft?
One day I'll take care of the other one.
You got smaller handcuffs because it clicked through.
Very good. You just like get smaller handcuffs. You got my f***ing hands tight as hell. Like, I'm dumbass bitch stealing from here, and I'm telling you, I don't want to multiple people asking for her name, and I'm the one getting charged. Like, this is ridiculous. Please stop touching me, unless you're a female. Do not touch me.
I suggest you don't pull away stuff because that could be another charge. This is yours. We're not doing
Bro, I have
nothing.
nothing to do with this. I'm telling y'all, I will pay for this shit. And you're arresting me. And you're arresting me because you can't find somebody else who's actually doing this shit.
We're arresting you for shoplifting.
Shoplifting, yeah.
You made the attempt.
I made the attempt. Yeah.
Doesn't mean you're guilty.
I made the attempt.
Doesn't mean you're
I
guilty.
made the attempt enough to sit here and say somebody's name multiple times, but Walmart could not fucking.
Find her shoplifting, and they only found you.
Y'all got the fucking upper hand.
Is this your jacket or?
No, it's not my jacket. You know what? Until I get a lawyer or an attorney, I don't want to answer none of y'all questions.
Perfect.
Is that the case
Not
record?
mine, so I don't know.
Okay.
Do I wear a 2T? No. And while you're at it, can you please give my purse to my baby dad along with my vape and my phone?
Well, we're gonna search it first, make sure there's no
Okay,
cops
yeah.
or anything.
Mhm.
If he is here, yeah, we can do that. But if he's not here, we're not waiting for him. We waited long enough.
Well, maybe if you want an extra $1 for
Not
I
necessarily.
don't know why you're upset with us.
But you?
Yeah, you're upset with us like we.
Cause y'all not doing your job.
We are.
You're
under
not.
arrest.
You're
We
not.
literally
You
been
shop.
Okay,
You shoplifted.
congratulations.
You exit out the door. So
Actually,
I don't know why you're
actually-
arguing with us.
Actually, if you want to be real, I
Check
did
the
not.
wallet.
So pull the camera up. Where the
Take any
exit?
money that's in there, put it in her pocket.
Nah. The lotion's mine, so I'd like that in my purse.
This is your
Just put.
No.
Whatever. She's not in charge here. Put all
I
her
don't
stuff
care
in
who's
that-
in charge. You guys are putting
We're gonna
shit
get
in
her
my
out.
purse. It ain't mine.
Yeah, like it's illegal. It's stuff that we're.
I don't
Okay.
care.
I don't care either.
Apparently not.
Okay. You don't. Apparently
Okay,
you don't.
you get
come here
paid on the
shoplifting,
fucking-
And you're mad at us for doing our job. We're just carrying
No,
stuff out here.
no. I'm mad at you for not doing your job. How you got a bitch sitting here saying she's gonna pay you for?
Stand up.
Don't pull away.
Bitch, who the
Don't pull away. Don't pull away. Don't pull
Who
away.
you talking
Don't
about?
pull away.
Relax.
Don't
Get
pull
the
away.
fuck off
Don't
me.
pull away.
Yo,
Don't pull
I'm
away.
gonna complain. You guys
Don't
are hurting
pull
my
away.
fucking
You're gonna
shit.
walk. You're
You
gonna
guys
walk.
are hurting my fucking
Relax.
wrist, yo. Get the fuck off me, yo. Real shit. Unhook my shit. They're too tight. Yo, I'm about to fuck y'all up.
Pull away.
I'm about to fuck y'all up. Yo, get the fuck
Yo, relax.
Get the fuck off me. Get the fuck off me.
Stay back.
Yo, get off! That shit hurts! That shit hurts! Are you serious? Are you serious? That shit hurts! I'm telling y'all to get off me for a reason! I have a fucking scratch on my wrist! Get off my wrist! Yo, y'all are hurting my wrist! Y'all are hurting my fucking wrist! Y'all are a bunch of fucking dickers! Get the fuck off me! Yeah, like I'm telling y'all the truth and y'all don't want to hear me!
Now, let's analyze the legal framework. For retail theft, prosecutors must prove three things: taking the merchandise, intent to deprive the store of its value, and criminal intent. Here's where it gets interesting. Under Pinkerton v. quote, United States, if two people are working together in a crime, both can be held responsible. But there's a catch. You have to prove they both intended to commit the crime. The model penal code is clear. The person must have acted with the purpose of helping the offense happen. The key evidence? Security cameras, witness statements, and those customer service pages calling for the other person. All of this determines whether she actually intended to steal or genuinely thought her friend was paying. Moving to the detention itself. Under Terry v. Ohio, police can stop you based on reasonable suspicion. But here, they had something stronger: probable cause. That means the facts would make a reasonable person believe a crime occurred. The officers balanced their investigation while giving her a chance to explain her side. This is textbook de-escalation. This brings up an important question. Does offering to pay make the crime go away? Under traditional law, no. Once you're caught, offering to pay doesn't erase the theft. However, the model penal code says evidence of wanting to pay or return items can show you didn't intend to permanently keep them. This is why officers documented everything: her statements, witnesses, the evidence, before deciding to arrest. Now, here's a common misunderstanding. Under Pennsylvania v. Mims, once police have lawfully detained you, they control the situation. The subject kept saying officers should just let her pay and leave. But that's not how it works. Shoplifting is a crime, not a civil issue you can settle with cash. Once probable cause exists, officers have a duty to enforce the law. The witness statements from security plus the unpaid merchandise gave them that probable cause. When exactly did the crime happen? Under the law, theft is complete the moment you take property intending to keep it. Walking out the door without paying, that completes the act. Now watch this critical moment. She invokes her right to an attorney. Under Miranda v. Arizona and Edwards v. Arizona, once you ask for a lawyer, questioning must stop immediately. The officers did exactly that. This is crucial. It protects her Fifth Amendment rights and prevents any violations that could hurt the case later. The search that follows is perfectly legal. Under United States v. Robinson, when police make a lawful arrest, they can search you and your immediate area without a warrant. Why? Officer safety and preserving evidence. This includes your pockets, bags, anything within your reach. No additional justification needed beyond the lawful arrest itself. Here's the most important legal issue: use of force. Graham v. Connor sets the standard. Courts look at three things: how serious was the crime? Does the suspect pose an immediate threat? Is the suspect actively resisting? And here's the key: Judges must look at it from the officer's perspective in that moment, not from the comfort of hindsight. Officers often have to make split-second decisions in tense, rapidly changing situations. In this case, officers used physical control to stop active resistance. No punches, no weapons, no takedowns. That shows restraint and meets the constitutional standard. The threats she made during arrest could be separate charges, but they don't automatically justify more force. The officers showed professional restraint. After any use of force, there's a constitutional duty to provide medical care. This comes from Estelle versus Gamble and extends to anyone in custody under Kingsley versus Hendrickson. The officers documented her complaints about pain and committed to medical evaluation. That's exactly what the law requires. Notice how the officer explains the handcuffs, why they're tight, warnings about trying to escape. This isn't just being nice, it's smart policing that protects against later complaints. The final charges? Retail theft for the shoplifting, obstructing justice for interfering with the investigation, and resisting arrest for the physical struggle. Penalties can range from fines to jail time depending on her record and the specific circumstances.
Hi, beautiful.
Hi, how are you?
I'm good, and you?
Oh, I can't complain. Do you have anything on you that's going to cause this to be tricky? Alright, can you spread your legs? Alright, have a seat. Okay, slide all down. So this is going to be tight because you have thin wrists, so I'm just letting you know, do not try to slide out, you will be charged.
Oh, I know. Trust
All right.
me. You're good.
Yep.
Time to grade the officer's performance. They earn a B+. What they did right: solid probable cause, proper response when she invoked her rights, reasonable use of force that matched the resistance, and stayed professional despite the insults. What could improve? They could have reviewed the security video before arresting to strengthen the case. Also, calling child services earlier would have shown better planning given the child's presence. Bottom line, solid, constitutional police work. The subject gets a grade of D. Here's why this went so wrong for her. Fighting the arrest was her biggest mistake. That's a separate crime and gave officers legal justification for force. She should have invoked her right to a lawyer immediately instead of making statements that can be used against her. The threats during arrest? Those could be additional charges. The smart play: stay calm, ask for a lawyer right away, comply with lawful orders, and fight the case in court with an attorney. Instead, she turned a potentially beatable shoplifting case into a slam-dunk resisting arrest charge with video evidence. And here's the kicker: you can be convicted of resisting even if the original arrest was questionable. Let's wrap up with the 3 most critical lessons from this case. First, intent matters in theft cases. Prosecutors must prove you intended to permanently take the property. A genuine belief that someone else was paying can negate criminal intent, making evidence like witness statements and security footage crucial. Second, resisting arrest is always a losing strategy. It's a separate crime that can be proven even if the original arrest was questionable, and it gives officers legal justification to use force. The moment you physically resist, you've created video evidence of a new crime. Third, invoke your right to a lawyer immediately and say nothing else. Under Miranda, once you ask for an attorney, all questioning must stop. Every statement you make before that can and will be used against you in court. These 3 principles can mean the difference between beating a charge and guaranteeing a conviction.